Good evening. Once again, this is your F. Santos featuring Munting Kalaman. And the topic I'm going to impart and share tonight is about the gun safety rules. And what is gun safety? Gun safety is the practice of handling firearms in a responsible and secure manner to prevent accidents, injuries, and unauthorized access. It is essential for both gun owners and non-gun owners to be familiar with gun safety principles to ensure the well-being of themselves and those around them. Here are some fundamental gun safety tips. Number 1. Treat every firearm as if it's loaded. Always assume that a firearm is loaded, even if you believe it to be unloaded. This mindset encourages careful handling and prevents accidental discharge. Number 2. Keep your finger off the trigger. Only place your finger on the trigger when you are ready to shoot. Keep your finger outside the trigger guard until you have properly aimed at your target. Number 3. Always point the muzzle in a safe direction. Always ensure the muzzle of the firearm is pointed in a direction where an accidental discharge would not cause harm. This practice minimizes the risk of injury even if the gun were to discharge unexpectedly. Number 4. Be sure of your target and watch beyond. Before firing, be certain of what you are aiming at and what lies beyond it. Bullets can travel through barriers and potentially hit unintended targets. Number 5. Unload when not in use. Whenever you're not actively using the firearm, keep it unloaded. This applies during storage, transportation, and when handing the firearm to someone else. Number 6. Store guns securely. Store firearms in a locked container such as a gun safe cabinet or lock case to prevent unauthorized access, especially by children and individuals who shouldn't have access to the firearm. Ammunition storage. Keep ammunition separate from firearms and store it in a different locked location. This prevents unauthorized use of firearm even if someone gains access to it. Number 7. Educate others. If you have children in your household or visitors who might not be familiar with firearms, educate them about gun safety rules. Encourage them to treat firearms with caution and respect. Number 8. Don't rely on safety mechanisms alone. While firearms often come equipped with safety mechanisms, this should not be relied upon exclusively. Always follow proper handling and storage practices. Number 9. Avoid alcohol and drugs. Never handle firearms while under the influence of alcohol or drugs, as they can impair judgment and coordination. Number 10. Get proper training. If you are new to firearms, seek out proper training from certified instructors. Training covers proper shooting techniques, firearm maintenance, and safety protocols. And number 11, regular maintenance. Keep your firearm clean and well-maintained. A well-maintained firearm is less likely to malfunction and cause accidents. Always remember, the key to gun safety is responsible and respectful behavior around firearms. Whether you own a firearm or not, understanding these principles can help prevent accidents and promote a safer environment for everyone. Once again, I would like to express my heartfelt and gratitude to those who continue support my channel, F. Santos Munting Kalaman. And I hope this will benefit especially those new in security professions. Again, thank you so much. Good night.